The Santiago family has always been a household name associated with the yearly Sinulog and Fiesta Señor celebration. The family's patriarch, Valentino or Val Santiago, together with his wife Ofelia and their dancers, have performed yearly in the Sinulog festival until they were elevated to the Hall of Fame for winning the grand prize for 3 consecutive years in the 1990s. This did not stop them from dancing for the Holy Child Jesus though, as they wanted to continue their devotion and preserve the culture and heritage of the Fiesta Señor celebration.
Mr. Valentino, Val, the Hermano and Hermana mayores of this.
This makes them more than fitting to be this year's Hermano and Hermana mayores, and indeed, they received a warm welcome from the Agustinian community and the faithful during the installation ceremony at the Pilgrim Center during the 459th Fiesta Señor's opening salvo on the 11th of January. The tradition of selecting Hermanos and Hermana mayores during Fiesta Señor or other festivals is a practice in the country where respected individuals are chosen as honorary festival chairs. True enough, the Santiago couple is one of Cebu's gem when it comes to choreography, performance, and most of all, faith, as they have devoted their talents in honor of the Holy Child Jesus for almost 43 years already. But despite all this, the happily married couple for 36 years admitted that did not at all expect to be chosen by the Agustinian friars as Hermano and Hermana Mayor for the Fiesta Señor this 2024.
Actually, it was mixed emotions. I told Reverend Father Nelson, give me one day to say yes to accept the offer, because I have to consult my wife and my family about it, because it comes with a big responsibility. And if you are the Hermano and Hermana, it is not just a Fiesta Señor, it will be the whole year of your reign as Hermano and Hermana for the year 2024 to 2025 Fiesta Señor. So it's really an honor and a blessing for us and the family of the Santiagos to be chosen as Hermano and Hermana.
Currently, the couple operates an arts and culture business. To name some, the Santiago Ancestral House located in 𝗵𝗂𝗪𝗂, Cebu City, and the Santiago Dance Studio or the Santiago Company that was established in 1947 in 𝗕𝗀𝗃 City, Cebu. In their own ways, the members of the Santiago family have actively contributed to the cultural aspect of Fiesta Señor, the Sinulog.
And we are more onto cultural dances, different kinds of dances, and then we also make costumes. We do events also, and everything related to arts. We had 4. Nami 4. We had 3 girls and 1 boy. Yeah, and then among lalaki, he was the first baby na among gi-carry for Santo Niño Sinulog. That was 1997.
Their faith was tested and strengthened after a devastating fire last 2001 that destroyed their ancestral home and dance studio, as well as valuable antique collections worth millions, including their prized Santo Niño images. Another recent challenge was in 2022 when Val had a stroke, but still, this did not stop him from performing for the Balaang Bata. In fact, this even renewed their family's devotion.
We happened the greatest event in our lives that was struck with our families way back in 2001, that our ancestral house in capital in this area got burned during the first Triduum of the Fiesta Señor. It happened on a Friday when all of the costumes and everything, our props for the
they all perished.
Perished in just an hour. So even if we lost everything, our costumes and everything, we proceeded to the offering and we showed up in the fluvial procession.
In the fluvial procession, and then we were all wearing t-shirts. No costumes, just t-shirt. And then when we were dancing, nagto among luha, sipon tanan, together, kanang everyone was really emotional at that time.
It was like a leap of faith for us. In spite of the tragic event, we continued our offering. So it really deepened our devotion to the senior Santo Niño.
As they now enter their 60s, the couple continues to pray for their strength and good health to prepare them for life's upcoming challenges.
Bringing with us when we're dancing the petitions or asking for cure and everything, and this time hopefully it will be our petition asking the Senior Santo Niño for our health, concerns of our health and everything, and most especially my wife's health.
Because I'm not feeling really very well today, and I just came from the doctor. I just came from the doctor, and then it's something about the heart, and then we had like problems in the family because, you know, all my siblings, they have this. Most of my siblings, like 4 of them out of 7, nami mga pacemaker, and then naay mga like bypass. So murag candidate ko for like that. But I'm hoping that
she has a very weak heart, but if she's beside me, her heart is very hard because I was born February 14, the day of the hearts.
yeah.
As this year's Hermano and Hermana Mayores, their main goal is to motivate young people to develop an appreciation for dance incorporated with their love for the child Jesus.
Daghan jud kaayo. In fact, they also have these favors granted by the Santo Niño, and then like makalarga sila because they've been asking for that. Mubalik gud sila, and then they always really, because you know Santo Niño is like a magnet. Yeah, mo ni siya ito batu balani sa gugma, then magnet of love. That's the theme for our Fiesta Señor 2024 this year.
I hope and pray that we Cebuanos will deepen our devotion,
yes,
and set aside our differences and try to focus on deeply, not in the dancing, but on the devotion of the Senior Santo Niño. So hope and pray that the devotion will continue in the centuries to come.
Yes, yes, yes.
Surrender yourself and give up and never lose faith, for the Lord is with you always. And this little king of the Balang Bata sa Sugbo is so miraculous that whoever knocks and he opens, and whoever seek for his guidance and protection will always be given.
This has been Mary Francis 𝗕𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗀 for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.